Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disallow phone apps to show bubbles in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on notification. Here you can see bubbles. Press on this. If you want to disallow your apps to show bubbles in your Android phone, you just have to turn off this button. That's it. So this is how to disallow apps to show bubbles. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.